Nicole got hooked once when we were out fishing. We had to perform surgery on her out there. She took it really well. She only cried a little bit. I think Pat cried more than anybody else. Okay, let's see if it falls now. Alright, it worked. Right on. Right on!